Hello everyone. These are the major equipments we are using in the analog circuit design lab. So this one is function generator. It functions three kinds of functions like sine wave, triangle wave and square wave. So we have frequency selector knobs, fine tuning knob and amplitude adjustment knob. So this connector is called BNC connector. This is used for input as well as output. Okay, both sides we connecting the same knob. First insert the connector. You have a three wires. One is red is positive, black is negative. Okay, same pin is connected at the CRO also. Connect red to red and black to black. So in the CRO there is a two traces, channel 1 and channel 2. So this is the channel 1 on off button. If you switch it off, channel 1 will be off. This is channel 2 on off button. Channel 1 is in yellow color, channel 2 in blue color. Okay. Now the frequency display showing 2.9 kilohertz. That means the frequency selector is selected to 3K. That means the maximum frequency we can select up to 3 kilohertz. If you want go for other range, select next button. In this button, minimum is 3 kilohertz, maximum is 30 kilohertz. So if you want any other middle range frequency, just fine tune the knob. Here now it's showing 29.6K. That is the maximum frequency in this range. Okay. Now you're showing sine wave. Sine wave. You select triangle button. The CRO it shows triangle wave. And this one is square wave. Different kinds of operations are available in the signal generators. And this one is amplitude knob. So now right now it is in 0 dB. 0 dB means the 20 dB attenuation, both are 20 dB attenuation or release condition. You will get 0 dB attenuation. So in this condition you will get 2 volts to minimum 2 volts, 2 volts to 20 volts you can vary by using this knob. Maximum is 20 volts. So if you press 120 dB attenuation button, you will get 200 millivolts to 2 volts. If you press 40 dB attenuation, both the 20 dB attenuation should be on condition. In that condition, you will get 40 dB attenuation. So in that condition, you will get minimum 0 to 200 millivolts. You can vary between 0 to 200 millivolts. In 20 dB attenuation, 200 volts to 2 volts you can vary. 0 dB attenuation, you will get 200 millivolts to 20 volts. Okay. So this one is DC offset. In all the experiments, it should be in off condition. Okay. And this one is duty cycle. If it is required, then only you can switch it on. Otherwise, it will be in off condition only. So in this function generator, there is a dual output. Okay. Here there is a 3 different outputs are there. We need to connect first one. First one is 50 ohms output. 50 ohms is impedance of the function generator. Next one is TTL. TTL means it's a square wave. You can vary the frequency but not the amplitude. Okay. And one more is the output. That is the dual output. One more function generator is inbuilt in this function generator. Okay. That is used only for the operation of modulation, AM, FM, ASK, FSK, PWM. For those experiments, we need 2 signal generators.
You will be in camera.
So for in this condition,
you will become. You have to.
for that purpose, we used to one more function generator. Okay. So for general experiment, you need to use top one. So these are the frequency range selector. You can use this one only. If you want to use second function generator, remove the function output wire, then connect here. Then observe the CRO. I am changing the ranges at second function generator. It's changing. Okay. I'm selecting the function button. Sine to triangle, triangle to square. Again it's changing. Okay. So these are special functions. It contains sweep generator, FM generator, AM, balance modulator, PWM, carrier wave. So these are the special function generator. So in this semester, we are not going to use these functions. So it will be going to higher used to higher semester. Okay, in this next semester, you will study on AM, FM and all. So for that purpose, we are using that. Okay. So always keep it in off condition. In this semester full, we don't switch it on. So coming to the CRO, we have two inputs, channel 1 and channel 2. There is a trace in x-axis. Okay, both the traces are in x-axis. Now we just connected square wave here. For giving the input, use channel 1 only. For the output, you use channel 2. Okay. So this is the position selector, position movement selector for the channel 1. And this one is the position movement for channel 2. Y-axis position. If you want to change the waveform in x-axis, use this one. Okay. And this one is channel 1 amplitude selector. This is for amplitude selector for channel 2. And this is time scale for both channel 1 and channel 2. Okay. If you press channel 1, you will get one special window, additional window. It's having coupling. Coupling means you can select ground. If you press ground, you will get a straight line. So straight line, bring it center. Always take the reference line at the x-axis, center of the x-axis, then release to AC or DC. If your circuit requires DC voltage, then press DC. If your circuit requires AC voltage, press AC. Okay. DC, AC. AC means it will be positive half cycle, negative half cycle equally divided. DC means in the circuit amount of DC is more, then it will be shift to positive side or negative side. Like that, impedance, invert button, bandwidth, expand, everything is there. So that is required for different operations. Okay. If you want to display the amplitude or frequency in the CRO, then go to press the measure. Press measure. We have so many parameters here. So in that, press add measurement. So one more window will come. Here, first one is VI peak to peak. Next one is time period and display FRR, source 1, source 2 will be there. Now I want to change the display to channel 1. Then press the source to channel 1. Then move the variable button to channel 1. Then press select. Okay. Then channel 1 will be activated. Then press VI peak to peak. Here so many analysis are there. It is V peak to peak, V max, V minimum, then RMS value, everything is there. We want only peak to peak now. Just select peak to peak, then select, press select. Now it is displaying input peak to peak. That is 7 volts is there. Now I am going to adjust the amplitude knob at the signal generator. Observe the screen. Observe the screen. The amplitude is changing. Okay. So frequency is selected to 1.4 megahertz. 1.4 kilohertz. Okay, how much frequency you are generating here, that much frequency is displaying.
ಒಂದ್ಸರ್ತಿ ಈ ಆಂಪ್ಲಿಟ್ಯೂಡ್ನ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್ ಅವಾಗ ಸರಿ ಅದನ್ನು ನಾನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರಿ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ತೀನಿ.
So this is the amplitude range selector. Observe the screen. Your waveform amplitude also is changing as well as display also changing.
ಫ್ರೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
Now I am changing the frequency now. Frequency waveform also changing. Observe the frequency here. It's displaying the same frequency. Okay. And this one is variable regulated power supply. It provides three different outputs. First one is plus 15, minus 15 and common ground. This supply is used only for op-amp. Op-amp required plus 12 volt, minus 12 volt. But here we have a variable knob for changing the amplitude voltage between 12 volts to 15 volts. It requires only 12 volts, so keep it minimum range. Then this output is for 5 volts. 5 volts is required to vary the
For certain experiments.
For certain experiment it is required. It is required for 12 volts,
For-
minus 12 volts.
for
op-amp.
555 timer we need only 5 volts. For that purpose we need this condition, this output. And this one is variable supply used to vary the voltage between 0 to 30 volts. For some experiment we need to vary 6 volt or 9 volts or 1.5 volts or 2.5 volts, like that reference voltages will be varying. So for in that condition you need to connect this voltage. Okay.
So that minus 12 volts can also be done from that.
Yeah, minus voltage is available here. You need to connect to pin number 4 of the 741 IC.
Now we'll show you that connection. But
Next experiment we are doing 741 IC. For that, pin number 7 is going to connect to plus 12 volt. Pin number 4 minus 12 volt. And middle one is common ground. That will be compulsorily should connect.
ಇವಾಗ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ
Off ಮಾಡಿ.